Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kadeja and we're back with another wig installation video for you guys. In today's video, we'll be working with RemyForte here. Today we're installing their 26-inch highlighted body wave unit and I'm super excited, so let's go ahead and move right along to the install. So the unit we're installing is your 13x4 26-inch blonde highlighted body wave unit. But this one comes pre-cut for us already, and as you can see, it's pre-plucked and ready to be installed. It has the adjustable band in the back, and this is the unit straight out the box. I will be leaving the link down below, so if you want to go ahead and purchase this unit, go ahead and check out my description box and make your purchase. Go ahead and check out RemyForte. I will be leaving their website in my description as well. Right now I'm just going to go ahead and install the unit so you guys can see the finished product. So this is what the wig looks like now that we put it on. The lace comes pre-cut already. This is it. I will be using my Even Wonder lace bond glue to glue my unit. guys, so this is the final look. I love how this turned out, and it took me like 5 minutes or less to actually install the unit. The final look, I love how it turned out. I love that the unit comes pre-cut already, makes it super easy to install. I will be leaving the link down below. If you guys want to go ahead and purchase, then go ahead and check out my description. Again, this unit is from RemyForte here, and I love it. It's definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. I would definitely recommend this unit. It's super easy for my beginners. This is yours. I feel like having your lace pre-cut free just makes the process way more easier, way more convenient. It is super easy to install. It took me like 5 minutes to lay my wig down. I love it. Very gorgeous unit. Love how it turned out. I will be leaving the link down below. Go ahead and make your purchase. Go ahead and check out RemyForte here. This unit is from them. This is their 26-inch highlighted body wave unit. Very pretty. I love how it turned out. This is where I'm leaving you for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another video.